All right, now that we have set up your Canvas course, let's go ahead and the first thing I want you to notice is the lookout of your home page. We can change this if you don't want students to see what the recent activity is by going over here to this Pages menu item. And on this menu item, you can go ahead and, this actually is already in the edit mode. So let's say, for example, I want welcome to class, and I might want to just give them a little introduction of myself and a picture and so forth. Whatever you would like on the front page of your course, you're welcome to do so. In this assignment, you don't have to worry about doing that right now, but I just wanted to show you the option in case you wanted to in the future. And then you would just go down here where it says Save Changes. And now if I want this to be my first page that they see when they log in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Home. And over here it says Change Home Page Layout. Instead of it being Communication Stream, I'm going to put page I'll design myself. And I'm going to say Update. And then this will be the page that I just created. And so that's a way that you can change the front page of your course. Now let's go ahead and let's go into creating modules. So go down to Module. And it gives you a little bit of instruction about how to set up modules, but I'm going to add a new module. And remember, this is going to be my science course. So I'll just call it Module 1. Because this is my flipped classroom example. And now I can go ahead and add items to this module. And the first thing is, notice you have different pages you could put together, but we're going to go ahead and do a content page. And in this content page, I'm going to go ahead and write down objectives and outcomes, because I think that's the first thing they should see when they're learning, especially online in a flipped classroom. Okay, add items to the module. I'm going to put content page, a new page, and I'm just going to go ahead and change this now. And I'm just going to say lesson and add. And then another item, I would like you to have some type of online discussion going on. So let's go ahead and we'll just put discussion, new topic, and we're just going to say discussion. And add the item. And then the last thing we're going to want to do is add an assignment. So I'm going to, notice that you could add an assignment, a quiz, a file. Again, let's just put assignment in for right now, new assignment. And I'll put out, I'm just going to put assignment. And I can put in how many points I want it to be worth. And then I can say due date. So if I want to lock that assignment into when it's due, I can set up the due date this way and say done. And actually I'm just going to leave it blank right now because I'll just put it at the end of the course. I'll just take it out. And then we're going to say add assignment and add item to the module. And now you'll see that I've kind of built a little lesson based on these contents. If you want to move things around in the module, you just grab these arrows by moving them around. The other thing is, if I build another module, let's say I just have module 2, I can also move the arrangements of my modules around by grabbing that same double-sided arrow. The other thing you'll notice is the pencil means edit. So if I want to edit this module, let's say I want to lock it so that students won't have access to it until a certain date, I can do that here. The other thing is the little trash can means that you delete. So if I want to delete something, or the red X, I would just click on that and that would be how I would delete it. Now, so this basically what I want you to do at this point is to go ahead and create your Canvas course by signing up for a free Canvas account, go through and change the settings, and then go ahead and build your first module, call it Module 1, and include these items. And then what we'll do is we'll work on the second part of the assignment, which is how to flip your classroom. All right, Thank you.